You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
Yeah, I saw it, true star, I think it fell for you. Crazy how you break my heart and you can melt it so. And I'm always captivated by the way you move. I don't wanna think about
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. We are out here at the Mount Hillier Mansion, okay? Now, we have something very unique, all right? We got Tamron sent me out this lens to try out, so we're gonna try out this lens. Nikon sent me this camera. We're gonna try out this Nikon. And then we have a new face on the channel, okay? Now, who do I have helping me today?
Penny.
Okay, Penny, where can we find you at?
On Instagram at Penny XILAC.
Okay, I'm gonna put that in the bottom left-hand corner. You see she has this lovely aesthetic. Can we get a 360 of the dress? Okay. Penny is killing it right now, all right? Penny is looking like a dime right now. All right, that's what we're gonna say. Yeah, okay.
For sure.
So we have this aesthetic and I wanted to match this aesthetic, so this was a great place to come to. It is raining just a little bit, so we are going to try to get these shots very swiftly. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for coming out in this rain.
Thank you for having me.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right, so here go the test shot right here. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. All right, and I'm gonna come back a little bit and I'm gonna get that same shot. One, two. And then turn your hip that way. Yep. And I want you to step out with step out with the other leg. Yeah, that's it. And then that left arm, then you could put right here. Yep, right there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Gorgeous. All right, let me show you what it looked like.
Cute. Oh, they're very pretty. I like those a lot.
Boom.
Yeah.
So
wow.
Yeah. Boom. Okay.
Yay.
So my first impressions. I am shooting this at 150 right now, and I am not mad at this variable aperture. Like 2.8 I could deal with. Almost reminds me of like me shooting with a 70-200. So let's get a few more right here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're gonna do that same exact thing. I just wanted to add that second light so that we get a little bit of separation. All right, perfect. 1, 2, and give me, yep, that's it. 1, 2, perfect. And 1 second, 1, 2. One, two, perfect, gorgeous. So this is a great example of like being able to have the versatility in this lens, because I've been shooting at 150 this whole time, but now I can get more personal. And if I want to go down to 135, 185, I got the flexibility and stay at 2.8. Or if I want to go lower. All right. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. And tighten that core for me. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so yeah, I normally don't go dramatic as much. I used to go dramatic a lot, but I'm loving these dramatic shots, so I'm about to show her. I think I'm gonna go back dramatic. All right, so.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna stick dramatic. I'm gonna stick dramatic. That's it right there. 1, 2. Gorgeous. Yes, give me that shape again. Yeah, right there. Put that chin up. Boom. All right. All right, so I'm going to check the versatility a little bit, because if it was up to me, y'all, I would stay at 150. I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna go to 35 right now, and I'm gonna walk with her. So now we was at 2.8. Now we are at F2. So the only thing is that you gotta adjust your lighting. Since I'm using 2 lights, can't use the TTL. So I'm just gonna adjust this. Let me take a test shot. I like that. All right, so we're gonna go with this, and I'm gonna walk with her. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
I just can't let you go.
All right.
Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
1, 2, 3.
Huh?
Y'all said y'all was supposed to go to the gym?
Yeah.
This your workout right here.
No, low key.
Yeah. Yep, and start up there, and then I want you to kind of just bring them down. All right. 1, 2, boom. 1, 2. Perfect. Perfect. Boom. All right. I'm liking the outside. All right, so what we could do is, instead of you like fully sitting, what if you just kind of lean with your butt on there, but stand up for the most part. So yeah, bring both of your, boom, and then cross your leg over. You could do the other one over the other one. Yeah, and then you go, yeah, you in the middle. And you're gonna kind of play towards this light. So if you wanna shift and be kind of like on your side a little bit, yeah, you can kind of do that. That's where I'm perfect. 1, 2. we just finished the shoot. It was absolutely amazing. I had a great time. The weather held off for us. It was gloomy, but you know, it worked for us. Now, when it comes to this lens, a lot of the times I stayed at 150, and because we don't have a beautiful sky, so I really want to kind of compress things and just use the environment because there's nothing interesting in the sky. Penny is the interesting subject, okay? So we want the lens on Penny. So that's what we did. I did switch it up. I probably used 35, 50, a little bit of 135, 150 the most. Now, what do you think about the shots?
I think the shots came out really good. They barely need editing at all.
Oh,
none.
See,
You ask me.
no, she
Yeah.
want them straight out the camera, okay? She don't want
You
no.
can send them to me now.
Look, let me pull out the phone. All right. So yes, we had a great time. And are we gonna see you again?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, we're gonna
For
see
sure.
you again. So when it comes to this lens, listen, this is a one-stop lens. I will tell you all, the only quirk that I have with it is that 35. When I used it at a event that I shot, I really do wish I had that 24 because it was a few tight spaces. But other than that, I would go with this lens, all right? I don't have no problem with the variable aperture. Everything is good with me. That's just my take, my opinion. This lens is solid. So until the next time, we're gonna see Penny again. And we got the hype woman back there.
Yes.
Until next time, peace.
Bye.